assistive technology has come really far over the last several years. Oftentimes, it's the next big thing and not the little everyday items we take for granted that we focus on. The community that we serve here at ASI often loses access to these everyday items. Working with RemoteLock gives us the ability to integrate with pretty much any smart lock that's out there on the market. One of the biggest benefits, again, with us owning and creating our own software is being able to choose who we partner with. So a company like RemoteLock that is so well known, and being able to help as many people as we possibly can with their safety and their security. Giving our users access to practical everyday items has always been our focus because it increases their independence through technology.